Hello, so it's Kevin here from Drop. So what we're doing today is just part one of our small dropshipping course. So today I'm going to show you how to find that elusive domain name that you're always looking for your e-com store, and a nice slogan to go with that domain name for your store, which both will go in tandem and work well together. And I'll also show you where to go and buy it and be able to find the domains on Shopify or the ideas in Shopify, but then use the other place that I'm going to use is to enhance them and show you more different types of domains that you can get, or words, phrases and things like that. So let's just go. We've got lifestyle, which I think is just a lifestyle brand. So we've got nothing. We're just looking to see what we can just have a wee look around and see. So lifestyle rocks. Something there. Are you a lifestyle seller? You could be. This can also help you in other things as well. But lifestyle starter. Let's go. What we got here? Luxury lifestyle could be. I don't think that domain name would be available. Wholesale. Majestic. Resolve. Let's see what we got. Oh, Green Thumb Lifestyle. Do you know why I like that? Let's just come out and let me explain. A gardening site. So you're thinking on a gardening website, a garden e-com store. Green thumb. Someone with a green thumb is good in the garden. So that would tell them well. So obviously here is where you would set up your store, but once you click on it, that's what comes up. So we'll go to this on the next video, so we're not going to use that at the moment. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually find out if this domain name is available. And it'd be very nice if it is. I won't buy it, I promise. But let's go. I think the .com. Oh, right, okay. The .com is available. I did not expect that. That is a fantastic name for gardening equipment or different things like that. So we're off to a great start here. So okay. Let's open this up in the new one. Let's just go for something else, because I think I'd like to show you how to use Namecheap's beast mode in finding other phrases within what you've used here. So let's see, generate names. Click this again. So as you see, each time you click it, it will come up with something different. It doesn't show you the same 100 names. It will come up with something else. So if you're running a gun store, no, not for me. UK economic lifestyle. That's something we're in at the moment, eh? Scrap store book. So you know, people that do scrapbooks and things like that. That's another one. Just have another regenerate at this. We won't go too far into it. Lifestyle consultants. That could be for something else. Clothing brand. There we go. So a store with that already exists, but I'm not going to go and look at that because I wouldn't spy on someone else's information. So let's just put that in. Now, if there's a domain or a store done with it, I think the .com is going to be taken. Obviously, yeah, so it's 14 grand for that. So I can actually go on that because I know it's for sale. So you can actually go on this and you'll see it's for sale. And they're just looking for it. So they just want you to go in and they want you to buy it. So for this then, it wouldn't bother me if I went .co. Okay. So as you can see, .co is taken as well. This is saying that to me, this is a big type of domain. So I'm going to take this out and go into what's called beast mode within Namecheap. So we just go in here, we select all, okay. We don't want premiums because we certainly don't want to see ones that are thousands and thousands. And we just put them in. We definitely don't want the ones that are unavailable, okay. And then we'll just generate. So this is going to tell us what other kind of domains will come up. So let's actually go, so we just clear that, put that in, and we'll go generate. Let's come out. So we'll go lifestyle.co. Let's see what we get here. Let's see. So it's not really given as much. Let's take some stuff out. Clear them. There we go. Generate. See what we get. I've seen something there and it has disappeared. Oh no! Let's see again. Something came up that caught my eye and it's gone. So get lifestyle upgrade. That's not really so good. Something was there. Lifestyle upgrade HQ. There you go. 642. So that just shows you we've just found another domain name we could use. Doesn't look like it's getting used, so that's a name we could certainly order and go for as HQ's headquarters. So lifestyle. So you could add in different things here, so you could just add in, let's just say you wanted to add in something else. Don't know how many of these would be available. Oh, 11,000. I'm not going through all of them. But you get my drift. So you would just have a play around with it and find something. But as I said before, we have found our domain name. Green. I'll just go back out of here and get it. How did I do that? So we know that's available, right? So the good thing to do here is we go into the free slogan maker after we've bought it, buy it right away, 714. I think you get, let me just come in, I'm sure you get free who is. You do, I'm pretty sure. But anyway, so we come in here to the Shopify slogan maker and we'll go green. Spelling, Kev, spelling. Green thumb lifestyle. So let's get some slogans. So remember, we're looking for a garden website and slogans. So we're building things that would have a store that would have things that would enhance the garden. It could be anything from gardening tools to furniture for the garden, different things like that. Okay, so let's just have a look. Got a green thumb lifestyle. You're in luck. Top readers, long live green thumb. I like this. Oh. Problem. A solution. Green thumb lifestyle. That's nice. 321. Green thumb lifestyle. Green thumb lifestyle is our middle name. Bit long, but you can change some of these, so you don't need to go with that. So this is just using free tools on Shopify to find how to prepare for your new Shopify store. You don't need to be spending days or weeks on ideas. I don't know where that came from. Be inspired by green thumb lifestyle. That works for me. The green thumb lifestyle effect. See, really good things here. So what you would have is your domain name. So you'd be making a logo, and that can be your tagline under your logo. But also what you can do is the big sliders as well on your Shopify. You can have this as your slogan in there. Be like Dad, keep green thumb lifestyle. Green thumb lifestyle is a sound of the future. No, it's not. It's for the garden. So really good things here that you can find. So what I'll do is, under this video there'll be links to these domain name generators and for the slogan maker as well, and also to Namecheap for you to be able to get in and generate and find them domain names, and use the beast mode. Don't just go with what you find. Use the beast mode section of it, because it's there to be used, and find things that you would never ever have thought of, and it's all free tools. And the first thing a person sees of your website is the domain name, and that's the thing. It's a great thing, and then they see the logo, the slogan, the website, all these kind of flow into one thing, and it's a great thing to use these free tools just to get yourself started and be able to go ahead and make that website. So what we'll do is we'll finish this video off now. As I said, subscribe down the bottom, and we'll have part 2 out very soon. And also don't forget to leave a comment and let us know what you thought of the video. Okay, thank you.